back in the water. All right, guys, so today I'm actually on Masonboro. Now I'm fishing the Baldhead, like 58th Fiasco, I think. I think it's like the 58th one or something like that. But yeah, I thought I'd take advantage and use this weekend to fish also. See if I can find any redfish or trout. So went out yesterday. Yesterday was the first day of camping, but only got a couple small bluefish and a small flounder. It wasn't really anything good, so hopefully I'll try to get something a little better. So we're gonna work our way south and see what we can do. See if we can find any redfish or trout, hopefully. Oh, I just had a bite. I don't know what that was. Might have been a trout. There's a fish. Gotcha. Oh, it was a little baby tiny speckled trout. I knew it. Little tiny guy. That's fine. He can get off the hook. I don't really care. That's a better fish right there. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, dude, yes. That's a better fish. There's a much better fish. What is that? I think it's a trout, man. No, it's a flounder. Look at that. Oh, yeah, it's a flounder. I knew it. See? Thought that was a flounder. Pretty decent sized one. It's probably a keeper, man. Too bad you're illegal. So there's a flounder. It's a much better one than yesterday. The one I got yesterday was tiny, man. It wasn't even worth putting in the video. If I get enough footage for this video, so. It's a decent fish. Yeah. Not much more to say, man. Okay, see ya. Ooh. There we go. What is that? What is that? What is that? I think that's a trout. Yep, I think that's a trout. There we go. There he is. Come on. There he is. Get in here, buddy. That's a good trout right there. Look at that. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Gotcha. Yes, dude. That's definitely a keeper trout right there. Finally. Dang, dude, that's a pretty good one, actually. Look at that. Nice. Cool, man. Much better start to the day than yesterday. Yesterday was slow and just freaking tied, man. The water was so low, it was hard to go anywhere, honestly. Nice. All right, we're gonna let this guy go. So, yeah, don't tell your other trout friends that I caught you, man, because, I mean, I would love to catch more of you guys. And that's a flounder. Yep. Oh, look at that. Flounder number 2 of the day. This guy's small though. There we go. Yes! And it's another flounder, it looks like. It's a better one though. I think it's a flounder. Yep, that's a pretty nice one actually, dude. Yep, that's a good flounder. Every time, man. That was probably a keeper. If he is, barely. Not bad. Sort of like another trout though. Alright guys, I'm really low on battery, but if I don't get anything else, hope you liked it. Masonboro is such a big area. I was just stoked to get out and camp and just enjoy my time and enjoy the awesome weather. But yeah, we'll definitely try Masonboro again for redfish, trout, flounder, you know, all the good stuff. So we'll keep on keeping at it.